Hey, how are you? So listen, I got this story today about why you should stop using plastic Tupperware in the microwave. It's very dangerous. It's not good for you. And I'm going to tell you about that right now. So if you want to hear about it, you want to learn why you shouldn't do this, stay in there because here we go right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to just find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. This way you know next time I come out with a video. And you guys know the thumbs up always helps. I appreciate that. Appreciate everybody coming back, checking in, see what's going on. And don't forget your comments. I love to hear from you guys. Your comments are awesome. Been getting really good ones lately. And I'll definitely get back to you, I promise. Yeah, so today I want to talk to you about, plastic. Okay, they refer to as Tupperware because there's all different types of plastics that you usually heat food up in a microwave with, right? But the big name is Tupperware. Um, a lot of us do it. A lot of us take food to work for lunch. Leftovers you put in plastic containers. You want to heat it up again, you just throw it right in the microwave. Well, that story is going to let you know that it's not a good idea. You should not do it. You should stop doing it right away. It could cause harm to you. Like I said, there's a bunch of different types of plastics out there that you're heating up this stuff in, your food in, and it's really no good for you. You can't do it. So listen to the story. I'm going to read it to you. I got some samples here that when I'm finished reading the story, we'll go over a little bit. And I want to show you a couple of things that I have here that it's kind of bring it to light what is going on here. All right, so check this out. Why you should stop using plastic/Tupperware in the microwave immediately. While the mass adoption of single-use and reusable plastic might not be healthy for the environment, it's certainly a cheap and easy way to heat up yesterday's leftovers during a busy day at the office. Turns out it's not exactly healthy for us humans either. As research emerges, it's becoming increasingly clear that microwaving plastic may be one of the worst health decisions that many people make on a daily basis. According to Food Network, heating your meals in plastic containers can release toxic chemicals such as phthalates and bisphenyls. It's a BPA, it says here, directly into your food. Okay, so even if we don't understand what I just said or what the words are, it doesn't sound good. I have no idea what that is, but it says it's going to be making it put directly into your food, which I guess is no good. Okay. I'll spell those words out for you in case you want to check it out. It's PHTHALATES, phthalates, and bisphenol, BISPHENOL. A, and in parentheses BPA. So I'm not sure, but it's going directly into your food. So it just don't sound good, right? Seeing as both of these substances are endocrine disruptors, endocrine, ENDOCRINE, disruptors. Those who are worried about their hormone levels and reproductive health should be especially wary about the use of plastics in the microwave. According to Sharp, phthalates and BPA are added to a wide variety of plastics in order to strengthen and stabilize the end product. Due to the added durability of these products, they are present in many microwave-safe food containers that people use to heat their food in a microwave. Well, I'm not sure what that they're really going with that there, because it's a microwave safe container people use to heat their food up. I'm gonna read that again because according to Sharp, phthalates and BPA are added to a wide variety of plastics in order to strengthen and stabilize the end product. Due to the added durability of these products, they are present in many microwave-safe food containers that people use to heat their food in a microwave. Sharp clarifies that the microwave safe designation simply means the container won't be destroyed by the microwave, not that it is safe for your health. Oh, okay. So now I kind of understand what that was saying. So they're saying that this stuff here is added into the plastic products to make it more sturdy or durable. Okay. But even though it says microwave safe on the container, does not necessarily mean it's safe for your health. Okay. It just means that the container will not be destroyed. Wow. That's very, I guess, deceiving, because you think a microwave safe, it should be good, right? Well, it's still no good for you. Given that there are so many different varieties of plastic that are used for food containers, it's important to point out that not all plastic products are created equal. Helpfully for consumers, plastic products are typically labeled recycling symbols that can also indicate which are particularly unsafe. As Sharp explains, plastic products labeled with a recycling symbol numbered 1, 3, 6, or 7 are especially harmful and should be avoided whenever possible. Wow, so you got to look at your containers. They got that little symbol with a 1, 3, 6, or 7. They are especially harmful and should be avoided whenever possible. All right. Since heat is the catalyzing factor that makes microwaved plastic so harmful, it's best to avoid exposing plastic products to all kinds of heat. This might mean throwing out your bottled water that was left in a hot car or using ceramic mugs for your morning coffee instead of a plastic tumbler. According to Food Network, even heat from the dishwasher can cause plastics to leach chemicals. Wow. So take care to hand wash your plastic products instead. If you've been looking for an excuse, to replace your dingy old Tupperware, here you've been presented with the perfect justification. To continue to reduce waste or save money in the long run, consider switching to safer glass containers instead. So basically what they're saying here, you shouldn't use any kind of plastic at all to heat anything up, okay? It's releasing these toxins that are very harmful to you. And even the microwave safe ones that say they're good for microwaves are still not good. It means it's just not going to ruin a container, but it still can give off that, harmful toxins, that you really don't want. Wow. I heat up a lot of stuff in plastic. I mean, it's a little crazy. And they said about these numbers on there, 1, 3, 6, 7, I believe it was. I'm looking again. And to especially stay away from them. Yeah, 1, 3, 6, or 7. Okay. So try not to heat it up and take your food out, put it on the dish, paper plate, whatever, heat it up on that. It's funny. My wife brought this up not too long ago saying I shouldn't be heating these things up in plastic. I guess she knew something I didn't. And she actually bought me a Tupperware thing that is microwavable safe, thinking that it's good. But well, now I got some news for her after this that it's still not good, still not good. You think you're saving my life, but you didn't, you still put me in harm's way. Shame on you, Nah, I'm only kidding. She's trying to do the right thing, you know what I'm saying, by buying me the microwave safe. But I got them here. I'm going to show you a couple of things I got. And I want to see if I can see those numbers on there. So let's see the first one I got. All right. This one here is actually a Rubbermaid. It's a Rubbermaid product. It doesn't say microwavable safe on it. There's that little recyclable symbol. Looks like there's a number 5 in there. Maybe that's a 6. They make it so freaking small. What do they say? 1, 3, 6, or 7? Well, that looks like a 5. So maybe that's safe. Looks like a 5. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like right. See that symbol right there? This one up here. That symbol. That symbol right there. Supposed to have some kind of number in there. It looks like a 5 to me. It's definitely a 5. Could be a tree. I don't know. Could be a 6. Next time I can bring a magnifier. But yeah, this is a top with Rubbermaid. Doesn't say microwavable safe phone. Looks like I got a 5 or a 6 or a 3 on there. So I don't know. But still, no good. Don't use it. This one here, next one. Glad. It's a Glad. There's the symbol on the bottom. That definitely got a 5 in there too. See that one? See that one better. Got a 5 right there. That's got a 5 on it. Says stay away from 1, 3, 6, and 7. So 5. So, but still, it's no good. This ain't no plastic. Don't heat it up. I don't know. Take a chance. Don't take a chance. I don't know. All right. So check this one out now. This one is the one that my wife just bought. This is actually a Tupperware. It's actually Tupperware. And on the bottom, it actually says microwave reheatable. Microwave reheatable. Now this doesn't even have one of those little symbols in there, recyclable symbols on it. Which is kind of crazy, right? This is what the bottom of it looks like. I know you can't read it too good. But kind of like right at the bottom there, it says microwavable reheatable. It was supposed to be good in the microwave. There's no little symbol on there. I guess this wasn't recycled. I guess, I don't know. But yeah, so this is supposed to be microwavable safe, but now I know that doesn't mean that you ain't going to get no toxins out of it because it's still plastic. It just means that this ain't going to melt in the freaking microwave. That's all it does. So they kind of tricked you. They tricked my wife. They're spending some money to think she's going to save my life, but she's not. She's still freaking killing me. You know what I'm saying? So what are you going to do? I don't know. But that's the story on plastics. Be safe, be careful with that. Try not to heat them up if you can. Try to get yourself a plastic dish, glass bowl, whatever you got to do. Coffee cups, man. Try to stay away from that plastic coffee cup. Try to put it in ceramic, Everything we got to do today is we got to try to stay safe and healthy because everything out there is trying to freaking kill us. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Again, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Remember, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. So next time I come out with a video, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate your thumbs up all the time. And your comments, let me know what you're doing, what's happening out there. And I will definitely get back to you. Thanks again, guys. Until next time, take care of yourselves. I'm out of here. So long. Goodbye.